So, if you want to fix the 5D error in your Voltas AC, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, first is you need to understand what the 5D error means. Now, the error 5D on Voltas ACs usually points to a communication or sensor related issue, often triggered by power fluctuations, moisture, or temporary control board glitch. Now, it's already a major failure right away, so you don't have to worry about it. So, yeah, what do you need to do though? So first things first is you want to power the AC off completely. Now turn the AC off using the remote, then switch off the wall power or circuit breaker. Now this stops the system and prevents the error from locking in. Now you want to go and just let the unit sit for about like 5 to 10 minutes if you can. So leave the AC powered down for a few minutes. This allows the internal sensors and the control board to reset after voltage or signal instability. Now, you want to go and just open the front panel and inspect the air filters. Dirty filters or excess moisture inside the unit can confuse sensors and trigger 5D. You want to clean and dry the filters if needed. Now, you want to go and just turn the wall power back on and start the AC normally with the remote. Now, if the unit runs without showing 5D, the issue was a temporary system fault. But yeah, so you want to go and just observe the operation for a few minutes if you can. So let the AC run for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now, if cooling starts normally and the error doesn't return, you're pretty much good to go. Now, if the 5D comes back, now it usually points to a sensor warning or a PCB issue. Now, repeated 5D errors typically need a technician to check temperature sensors, communication wiring, or control board. At this stage, continuing to reset won't permanently fix it. So you may want to contact a technician for this one. But yeah, so that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.